heard this a million times, I apologise. I tried it in the Pelly and I managed to clear the whole place. This is a very powerful tune, some of you might recognise it. I did this in a club in San Francisco called Brainwash, which is actually an amazing live spoken word venue. And it's a washing machine place, you know, it's like they call them laundromats there, but they have an open mic stage. And yeah, whatever. So anyway, I did this in San Francisco, and when they heard the tune, some people stood up because it's almost like a second national anthem. This is called Vibes. Thank you for listening. You've been brilliant, thank you. And it has got an instrumental break. Sorry, I didn't announce it. It's called Vibes. And this bloke here, he actually videoed me doing this in space. And it's on YouTube. So he's heard it a couple of times. Now you know what I love about being alive? It's just being able to pick up vibes. I said vibes. I'm talking about vibes. I said vibes are for me, vibes are for you, vibes are for people and everything you do. Vibes are for places and everywhere you go. Vibes are for tribes when you're moving too slow. I said vibes. I'm talking about vibes. Can you feel the vibe on the cornhill? It's electric, it's hectic. But that's what it's like if you're slightly aware. You pick up vibes everywhere. I said vibes. I'm talking about vibes. Now call me a wrinkly and call me a hippie. Tell me I'm weird and say that I'm trippy, but the one thing I love about being alive is just being able to pick up vibes. I said vibes. I'm talking about vibes. Instrumental break. Can you clap? That's nice. A bit oldies. I said vibes that are serious, vibes that are old, vibes that are dangerous, vibes that are cold, vibes. I'm talking about vibes. And here comes a very important storyline. You have to listen really closely. Now I walked into the house just the other day. You know the way you do, in the same old way. I started picking up on this really strange vibe. My legs were shaking, I was struggling inside. I walked into the kitchen. You should have heard the din. I said the washing machine was on the final spin. I felt vibes. You need to feel the vibe inside. When you're stressed, it's like a test. And it hits you when you're never at your best. So I'll tell you what you need if you've got the time to feel. I said don't do nothing, you really need to chill, just chill. Feel the vibe inside. I said maybe put your feet up and watch the bill, but you could if it was still on the telly. Or maybe go and sit on Rodborough Hill, but just chill and feel the vibe inside when you're stressed. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much. Cheers. This poor band, they were supposed to be on 3 hours ago. Thank you again, thank you very much.